Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix the WhatsApp verification code problem on iPhone, a common issue many users face when trying to activate WhatsApp. If you didn't receive the 6-digit verification code by SMS, first make sure you've entered your full international phone number correctly, including your country code. Don't add any leading zeros or exit codes, for example, US number. Once you've entered the number, wait patiently for the progress bar to finish, which can take up to 10 minutes. Don't try to guess the code or enter random numbers. This can lock you out of your account temporarily. If the SMS doesn't arrive and the timer runs out, you'll see the option to get a phone call. Tap Call Me and you'll receive an automated call with the 6-digit code. Enter that code to complete the verification. If you're still facing issues, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed from the App Store. Also, double check that you meet all requirements for registering your phone number. Try restarting your iPhone by turning it off, waiting 30 seconds, and then turning it back on. If that doesn't work, delete WhatsApp and reinstall it from the App Store. Finally, check your SMS reception by sending a message to your number from another phone. Make sure you're using the exact number you entered in WhatsApp with the correct country code. Following these steps should help you fix the WhatsApp verification code problem on your iPhone.